Our commercial-grade crack filler is a durable, long-lasting, one-time solution for your asphalt cracks. Cracks in asphalt are the worst offender when it comes to damaging asphalt surfaces. If left untreated, they'll continue to grow and eventually you'll have to replace the entire surface. We all know how costly that can be. Our filler is designed to penetrate cracks, bond with asphalt, and provide a long-lasting watertight seal. It is available in 1-gallon bottles of cold pour crack filler for driveways and small parking lots, or 30-pound boxes of hot pour crack filler for larger jobs. Our crack filler is trusted by clients such as international airports, large property maintenance corporations, and state departments of transportation on their asphalt surfaces. These companies come back time and time again, not only because our crack filler repairs their asphalt in one step, but because our service is second to none. Let us become your trusted source for asphalt crack filler and crack filling equipment. Call us toll-free today and speak with one of our friendly staff about your needs. 866-399-5562. Like, comment, and subscribe below.